Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath. If a sound goes, it steers, it shakes, it's a revibration. Same thing for life. If it goes, it shakes you off. Whatever the things happen in your life, don't forget you will gain some experiences if you want. Hold your breath, hold your tongue, and you will see the difference. What can we do? What can be done? What can be eaten? It's all depend on the choice. Hold your breath and take the responsibility. It's none but one. What can be? Hold on to your breath. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's a piece what I am saying.